using the power of your phone to create a digital lookbook. It's something that I encourage my clients to do whenever we work together, is to snap a photo of the looks that you have created. Whenever you get dressed, take a photo of it, create a file on your phone or your Google Drive that says outfit ideas that I love and outfit ideas that I don't like. So for instance, if you got dressed in something and you put it on, you took a photo of it, you saved it, but then you went to your function and all day you're either pulling or tugging at your clothes, that photo should go into, nope, we're not going to wear that again. If it's something that you love and you got a lot of compliments on, you feel fantastic in, save that to your I love file. What happens there is that if you're going to another event, let's say you wore, for instance, I wore this on camera and this looks great, this feels great for me, I took a photo of it, I can then take this outfit to an in-person networking event, right? So I don't have to think about, oh, I have a networking event to go to. They said wear bold, fun colors. I don't have to think about, oh, what should I wear? It's like, oh, here's one idea. Maybe I'll change, but it takes away some of that decision fatigue when it comes to deciding what I should wear, how I should pair different looks together. Is just taking a photo of the look and rinse and repeat. You may change your hairstyle, you may change how you accessorize it, but the general makeup of the outfit will look the same, and that will save you so much time